Welcome to Best Productly.
Ten Best Curved Glass Refrigerated New Model. We are going to check out top 10 best curved glass refrigerated. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this curved glass refrigerated, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Top 10.
ONCN 44504 72-inch curved glass floor refrigerated display case 44504. Exterior dimensions VVDH 72 x 26 points.
Top 9.
PRC 84 CG 84-inch 10-pan refrigerated condiment rail. Curved glass. Efficient. Features high-performance 2 polyurethane foam insulation and CFC-free R134 a refrigerant. Rear breathing front EXAUST. Keeps the dust from clogging the condenser coil. Hydra-Kool stainless steel interior and exterior. Resists scratches and dents.
Top 8.
Turbo Air TCGD 72CO 72 curved glass refrigerated / dry combination bakery display case. Restaurant equipment. Manufacturer warranty 2-year parts and labor. 5-year compressor. Dimensions 70.
Top 7.
Hydra-Kool KFM SC120 S117 curved glass refrigerated fresh seafood service display case. Multiplexible. Category: display case, deli seafood / poultry dimensions, LDVH, WT.
Top 6.
Krollen Industrial 64 white curved glass refrigerated deli case. Display curved glass front and LED lighting to best showcase fresh deli product. Exterior durable white exterior with a 21 deep countertop for convenient workspace. Shelves, 3 rear sliding doors provide access to interior.
Top 5.
Hydra-Kool KFM TG80 S77 to 1/2 curved glass refrigerated fresh meats and deli service case, multiplexible.
Top 4.
Xiltek 82 all stainless steel deli case / display case / meat case / meat or seafood showcase / curved glass refrigerated case / bakery case / with LED lighting and casters. Dimensions 82 WX.
Top 3.
KoolMore refrigerated bakery display case for cakes, pies, and pastries. 48 stainless steel frame, curved glass front, multi-tiered shelving rack, and LED lighting. 13 cu.ft CDHF14C. All-purpose commercial bakery display. Beautifully elegant, this cold bakery display case maintains optimal 36 degrees Fahrenheit to 43 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures to help maintain the freshness and quality of cakes, pies, baked goods, and other fresh pastries. Clear, wide.
Top 2.
Marchia MB3636 curved glass refrigerated bakery display case. Internal LED lighting strip under each shelf. Curved glass for superior viewing angles. Adjustable temperature control. Adjustable shelving. Automatic defrost.
Top 1.
We are going to check out top 10 best curved glass refrigerated. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this curved glass refrigerated, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. So let's get started with the video.
Link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.